Well, the Uber CEO has finally exposed the truth. Wow, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. This is one of the biggest, most important videos I've ever made. Please thumbs up the video so more people can see this. We have a lot to cover. We're exposing Uber, what's going on behind the scenes, the reality for drivers, the issues that drivers are facing with rising gas prices, lower fares, and what Uber's plan is with everything going on. And let's just say Uber's CEO is laughing all the way to the bank. Wanted to first thank our sponsor, Current Bank, which is a app that is helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. The link is in the description. It's called Current. Again, I have it right here on my phone. And as you can see here, they help drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. There's no fees on overdraft. You earn 4% interest on your money. I had to put in $100 right here just to check it out. You get cash back every single time you fill up gas, as you can see here. Current is awesome. Check it out with the link below. If you're ever strapped for cash and you need to get paid faster, you can with Current. So check it out. So if you didn't know, Uber has ended their gas related fuel surcharge for Uber drivers who are doing delivery orders. So if you're an Uber driver and you ever have to do a delivery, you are no longer getting that gas fuel surcharge. Why has Uber decided to do this? Beats me. Drivers right now are struggling. Drivers are living out of their cars. Drivers are struggling to make their payments. And Uber all of a sudden says, you know what? We're gonna end that gas fuel surcharge. So Uber CEO wrote on Twitter, meanwhile, he says, I love it when everyone wins. He wrote this tweet. Because Uber has partnered with Hertz to rent drivers Teslas. And if you look at the comments in this tweet, so basically what happened is Uber is now providing drivers with Teslas for $300, $400 a week. And they've now issued 15,000 of them to drivers. Now, keep in mind, there's over 1 million drivers in the United States, so 15,000 out of 1 million is not everyone. But Dara tweets out, while drivers are struggling across the world, across the nation, drivers are on strike. There's a strike just in Connecticut at the state capitol. Yeah, the top comment on that is, rent a Tesla through Uber. Get deactivated because people are petty liars. Get stuck holding the bag. Today, 7 hours online, 4 hours of driving, $74 from Uber, $90 spent on the gas station. I'm going to work at McDonald's and make twice what I earn with Uber. Drivers are figuring out now. It's very clear with the price of gas now, just how much or just how little profit you can actually earn while you're driving for Uber, paying for gas on your own car, paying for maintenance, putting wear and tear on your car, and not to mention depreciation to your car. If you own it, your car is going down in value every day. And I would recommend looking into the Tesla rental program if you can make the numbers work. I have to say, because you get $1 extra for every ride. It's a limited thing. They only have 50,000 of these Teslas. It's not like this is for everybody. But if you have access to an at-home charger, I know some drivers are making a lot of money with this. But anyways, wanted to make this quick video because, I don't know, I just thought it was really frustrating that Dara's the CEO, just tweet that out saying everybody's winning when clearly drivers are very upset. So, and the Uber's head of rides just left the company. So anyways, quick video update. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And please, if you check out the link below for Current. Again, I have Current right here on my phone, and you get paid up to 2 days faster. No fees on overdraft if you ever go negative, $200. I think I do have my Current card here somewhere. Yeah, I just got it. So you can get a current card as well. It's just totally free, by the way, and when you use it, you get cash back on gas, which is nice. They're actually helping drivers out again. If you ever need to get paid 2 days faster, you can do that. And they do pay you 4% interest on your savings, which is really, really good, really high. And your money is FDIC insured up to $250,000 for everybody asking. So your money is safe and through their partner bank. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. And let me know your thoughts down below. Are drivers getting paid enough? Bye now.